Happy Friday, y'all. Today we are doing basically what we did yesterday, roots and cube roots, but we're going to estimate today. So basically today's just basic of review. All right, so we're going to estimate the square root of 38. So we're going to come over here and we're going to click second and the square root because that is in blue. And then we're typing in 38, enter. Okay, so it says 6 and 1/10, and you can use the 6. It's going to round that to a 2. It's still not going to bump that 6 up. So we're going to say that it's about 6. Okay. Next, we're going to do the square root of 45 and 2/10. So again, we do second square root, and it is 45 and 2/10. Enter. Okay. This 7 is going to bump that up to a 7. That 6 is going to go to a 7. So 6 and 7/10. Oh, sorry. It's going to round that to 7. And I'll turn this music down. Okay, so next is the cube root of 80. I need to get a stand for my phone. Okay, so we're going to come here, just like yesterday. We're going to click math. And we're going to go, you can use either these numbers to get to number 4, or you can literally click number 4 on the calculator. Cube root of 80, type in 80, enter. Okay, that is only going to round, that is going to round to 4, right? Because the 3, 5 or more, let it score, 4 or less, let it rest. That's less than 4. Okay, next we have this fraction. So there's 2 options you have right here, because we can't put this fraction into, we can't put a mixed number into this square root. So we can either turn this mixed number into a proper fraction, or we can turn 2/5 to a decimal. I'm going to show you both. So if we did it, we did the Texas 2-step. If you did 7 and 2/5, Texas 2-step, the denominator is 5. 5 times 7 is 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. So the improper fraction would be that. So we would put second square root, and then we would do parentheses, because it is a fraction, 37 divided by 5, close parentheses, enter. Ooh, and we get 2 and 7/10. This 7 is going to bump that 2 to a 3, right? Right? Okay. Next, we would have, next, if you wanted to do a decimal, I know that 2/5 is the same if I could T-bow it, which is fine. It's 0.4, right? Because 4 times 5 is 20. All right. So I could do 7.4. So if I wanted to do that, whatever way you're comfortable, second square root, 7.4, and you get the same answer, okay? Same answer, 3. All right, so next we're going to do another cube root of 510. So we'll go second. Oh, I'm sorry. We're going to hit math, and you go down to number 4, or you can literally click the number 4. We got it. And it was 510, and let's see what it is about. Ooh, so this 8 bumps the 9 to a 10, and the 9 bumps the 7 to an 8. So the cube root is about 8 of 510. All right, and last but not least, we have this. Now, we can turn the 3/8 to a fraction, and you really could just use you could say 3 divided by 8, turn the fraction to a decimal, 0.375, and I've got 27 in front of it. So it would be the same as saying square root of 27.375. Okay, so we go second square root. I always forget that I have a 27.375, enter. And we have 5.232111. So that is about 5, right? Okay, so today's super easy. You could also do the Texas 2-step and turn that to a mixed number, 8 is always going to be the denominator. When you keep the same denominator, then you do 8 times 27. 8 times 27 plus 3, the numerator, got 219. So you could do second square root of 219 divided by 8, and you still get the exact same answer. I personally think it's easier to turn these, but now if this is a rational number, a repeating decimal, then you probably should turn it to a mixed number, an improper fraction, okay? If you have any questions, raise your hand, I'll help you.